Guys, he is biggest criminal of Hingmas. Oh man, this is Bhetkimas. Is that Tarabang? This fish is Motre Betkairoing. It's for little Tangamas. This is Ned. This is behind the scene. Thank you. This is me and this is my camera person. Who is your name?
Jisan.
Jisan. This is Jisan bro and my cameraman and this is Ostopholius Pygilis Palgala. So you can see this blog. So Asker blogs, this is very interesting for everyone. So guys, see these blogs and everything, comment, like and share. I said this net bisaying, so you are kuda. This is very hard and for the madi. This is kasi for the net, not for Sadir or Narusi. This is very hurtful and good. Turning, no shooting. This net is small. So you can't before you can see this. I have beside the net current run. Slowly, very slowly. This is finished the jal and behind the scene you can see this. All net jal is pati diasi. I mean, understand? You can do no confusion. This jal is already bashing. This hand for leg. So guys, this is net design is the complete. So little big fish, snake fish and big fruity mass fish. So see this tomorrow kaji go ben nikal.